The Gentle Baby Balm is the gentlest balm we have ever created. A 100% natural blend of moisturizing oils and calming plant extracts. It's perfect for moisturizing baby's delicate skin and gentle enough to use on newborns. This natural baby balm softens the baby's face, body, and bottom, and is also great for anyone with dry and sensitive skin. Hempseed oil is a rich source of omegas that restores, softens, and has an anti-inflammatory effect. Shea Butter soothes and protects irritated and sensitive skin from the environment and prevents moisture loss. What is so extraordinary about this product is that we used Sea Buckthorn Extract. It is naturally high in vitamin C and has an amazingly deep orange color. It works to restore damaged skin, prevents inflammation, and strengthens the skin. The balm has an ultra clean formula without any parabens, mineral oils, synthetic colors, or fragrances that could cause allergies or reactions. It is dermatologically tested on sensitive skin. Our Gentle Baby Balm is perfect for baby massage, as a nappy balm, and for soothing dry patches or flaky areas. It's great for newborns, children, and during motherhood.